me. I'm not being rude to you, yeah? I'm good with you. So how? I'm good to you, yeah? Good to be like that. God, talk to me. Thank you.
Let's go. Watch your mouth. Dali, let's go.
Wash your mouth. Or should I say, watch your mouth. So, yan yung pinakahuling phrase na narinig natin sa sinabi ng isang manager ng pageant na Miss International Queen matapos siyang dududuruin ni Miss International Queen Malaysia dahil daw inaakusahang cooking show ang pageant na yan. So, pakinggan natin ang sinabi ni Miss Universe Malaysia, Miss International Queen Malaysia.
Not placement. Every each of year, and I could never. What they asking for you?
50 lakhs.
50 lakhs for the franchise, yes. And I am